Ndewo, Kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubue. Esi m Igbo study wee na-ewetara gị ozi ya. Okay? So ihe anyị ga-ekwu maka ya taa bụ kedu ihe kacha mkpa n'ihe ọbụla ị na-eme. Okay? Kedu otu ihe kacha mkpa n'ihe ọbụla bụ ebumnuche gị ị na-eme. Okay? So what is the most important thing, most important trait or strategy you need for whatever thing you are doing, whether you're learning Igbo, speaking Igbo, or doing any other thing that is not related to language learning. Ihe ahụ bụ ịga n'iru, okay? Ịga n'iru, consistency, okay? Being consistent in whatever you're doing, okay? Ị na-aga n'iru, okay? Maka na mgbe ụfọdụ ị nwere ike agwụ gị, ị chọghị ime ya, ahụ gị achọghị ime ha ọwụla, just chọọ izu ike. Mana ọrụ mgbe ị kwere nkwa na ị ga-eme ha, ị just bilie ime ya. Okay? So sometimes you might feel tired, you don't feel like doing things, but because you've promised, maybe you've set a time as maybe people are waiting for you. Okay, just like maybe I've set a time for this video, okay, that I'm going to do it. Okay, so even if I'm not feeling like it, but I know I have the time, there's nothing like major, no emergency preventing me from doing it. It's just maybe me feeling down or lazy or something. Just being consistent, just getting up and doing it anyway. Okay, so in aganiru ni hobole neme. Okay, give it time, don't give up too soon. Okay, and get help, whatever you need, just get it, but be consistent. Okay, all right. Okay, whatever you're doing, that is good. And if you're learning Igbo in this community, just be consistent. Just why, okay? Right, I'm going to go.